Well, hello there guys. So you know my love for Tentry, and we're back because they had mystery bags again, and this is our way of saving money and getting Tentry stuff to replace things in our wardrobe with. So if you don't know what Tentry is, they're a company that makes ethically and sustainably made clothing. Typically their shirts, like their t-shirts start at like 25, 30, and their sweaters, things like this, are more around like the 60 to 70 range, and then their pants are like 70 to 90. So it's a very good deal to get your hands on one of these when they come around. Okay. Ooh, this is like a sweater, and I am, ooh, okay, I thought I had two things. I am actually hoping that it's a lot of fall stuff just because we're gonna be coming into fall.
That's
is this
nice.
men or women's?
I don't know.
Oh, that's women's.
That's definitely women's.
Okay.
Definitely women's.
It's got
yeah,
like
you
this,
got that special cut
yeah,
there.
cut there on the bottom, which is cute.
Got?
What is that? He's never worn anything like that, but
I have
we'll
not.
see. This is, again, something that I could see John Murray wearing, so this might be the item
Certainly.
John Murray also ends up with.
Perhaps.
This one.
Perhaps.
In his
Yeah,
last
this is
one, he
definitely-
got the tank top, and he doesn't wear tank tops, and we gave it to John Murray. That's something John Murray would wear too.
Oh, that's
super cute. I like this one. This is lightweight
Ooh,
too, so it'll
yeah.
be good for spring and
Yeah,
fall.
dang.
And we're in North Carolina, so like even in winter, I could just wear this some winter days.
Item number 2.
Ooh,
Ooh, I like this.
yeah. That's
Oh
right
yeah,
up Brian's alley.
this is totally my style.
What I love about Tentry is everything is really high quality, but I'm not like a super fancy dresser. Like, I'm a t-shirt, throw on something kind of person, and so Tentry allows me to wear a t-shirt that feels a little fancier, and I feel like for the men too, like they're wearing t-shirts but they just look nice and a little more like you look a little more put together. Ooh, I got a t-shirt.
It's an owl.
Rev's gonna love it,
Rev
and it's
is
purple
going to
and an
absolutely-
owl.
She's gonna want it.
And this one is cut just like my, I have one that's got like
The
a
trees, tree line?
yeah.
Ooh, hoodie. It's the tree line hoodie.
Hooder.
Hooder.
This is
Tree
what my
line
t-shirt
hooder.
is, but it's the sweater version.
All about that hoodie. About that hoodie.
Oh, it's this. Sorta. But it's a purple one.
Oh, this is gonna be like the blue and red one.
Yeah, so
That
that
the
way
back,
has
the back is different color rather than just all the fronts.
Oh, this one's made from recycled plastic bottles.
What? You mean I'm gonna be wearing plastic? That doesn't sound very comfortable.
Ooh, I got the same one. What?
Are they actually different cuts?
Yes, honey,
Oh,
they're
okay.
completely different
Okay.
cuts.
Okay, they're different cuts. I believe you.
And Ryan's last one.
Oh, it's a bird.
Oh, the bird with a
yeah, with a
wolf
wolf like going up
or a
a
coyote.
mountain.
Oh, that's
Stars.
cool.
Big. They all seem big
Really big.
now, but
We
when I
both
put
got
them on-
larges.
When I put them on, no.
I would be a
Gets
medium if
smaller.
it wasn't for my 36J boobs. Can't do anything about it. I'm happy with it. I'd say the only thing I'm a little disappointed in is having like another sweater, but like I really can't complain. They're like $70 sweaters and I have 2 of them.
Yeah.
So it's not that bad. And I wear these because honestly, really in the winter, I don't wear coats. So I wear sweaters and things like that a lot. So they'll definitely get their use. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad on you, but it is definitely different for you.
Yeah, definitely different. I gotta undo the top button.
Yeah, actually it looks good on you. It has finger holes.
Oh my goodness, finger holes.
Just made my day. What's weird is
The line right down the center.
middle. You're so weird.
It's so soft. Well, plastic bottles sure are soft. Let me tell you. Oh, incredibly soft.
Well, we had a little one wake up while we were doing our modeling, our little lookbooks. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in like sustainable living, minimalist videos, ethical purchasing, things like that, then this is probably the channel for you. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you are new, and I will see all of your wonderful faces in my next video. Bye.
Bye.